Hey, this is for all of you bloggers out there that might not necessarily be into HTML or anything. So, if you want to have your video stretch out 100%, a lot of times what happens is when you go to YouTube and you copy the embed code, it contains a set width for your video. So then it would end up being, smaller on your screen. When you post that video onto your blog page, what you want to do is have it expand out 100%, and then whatever browser it's using, whether it's mobile or whether it's a desktop, it'll just open up just like it does here. So if I shrink this down, it just shrinks along with it. So how to do that is you do this. So let me just get rid of this here, and you go to your editor and then you click on source. When you click on source, you don't have to really, know any of this. You click on Control F to find, and then search for YouTube, and you'll see this here. Once you see YouTube here, what you want to do is you want to remove the width. So what Google provides you with, or YouTube, is it says this width equals 315 or whatever it may be. What you want to do is remove that, and you want to put in style, S-T-Y-L-E, equals, and then width, colon, 100%. And you put that in just like that, and you will have that video expand to 100%. The other thing that I did for this video here is I increased this height a little bit just to make it a little bit taller. So up to 215 was what I put here. All right, thank you and happy blogging.